Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a girl tutorial and a boy. A boy on this side and a girl on this side. Yes, I am going to be doing that. So, pink and blue, yeah. So guys, I hope you subscribe. Please comment down below which palette you like the most. Conspiracy or controversy. And I hope you enjoy this video. Give this a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. So let's get on to the video. So first, okay. Oh, sorry. Sweat. Okay, now, we're gonna be doing lots of pink on this side. I'm of course gonna start with that side. What colors do I want? Definitely this color. So let's get on our lid. Okay. So yes, that's the highlight. I'm bad at makeup. Even though I do makeup tutorials, I'm bad at makeup. Just gonna say that. There you go. So that is the highlight. You can't see it. There it is. And now I'm gonna be using pigment. Now we're gonna put that in like a wing or something, I think. No, we're gonna be using it like how do I say this? Top of eye? Like on top of it. No, that's pink. Super pink. Now we're gonna be using my pills. Lots of pink. Lots of pink. Lots of pink, can I tell you? You can never have too much pink, right? Okay. Right on top. No, for this one. My hair's in the way. I should have wore it up. Like a wing on the side. Now that's pink. Okay, guys, we are all done with the eyeshadow. We're all done with the eyeshadow, and now here's the result of the eyeshadow. How is it? Okay, now we're gonna be using these two together. First, we're gonna be using this one. Oh my god. Okay. Let me put it on. Okay, back to it. All of this makeup is like getting on the table. Okay. That is good. After that layer, now we're gonna add a layer of gloss. I'm like going all into it. I'm going all into it. Now that is cool. So that's, guess what? That's not all done for the lipstick. We are gonna add this one. Wait, no, we've already added this one. Now we're gonna add this one. Okay, so okay. It honestly covers up this one, so I'm gonna add another coat of this. I'm sorry, I have to do this all to lipstick. Yeah, that's good. But another coat of cloth. I look like a monster in the camera. Nah, okay. I look like a monster. Do I look like a monster to you? If I do, I totally understand. Okay. Okay, guys, that is all done for the girl side. How is it? How is it? Is it great? Okay. Now we're gonna do the boy side. There's not really any boy colors in this, like blue. Well, I'll have to say there's a couple. Let's go with blue. Let's put it on the other eye. Okay, all done with the blue. Now we're gonna go with a yellow. This yellow food videos, I don't know. That's kind of cool. Let's add more of that tea stuff blue. Turning to the vanilla green. Honestly, I think we're done. We're just done. I think we're ready. I think this is cool. I like this. So guys, here's a close up look. Sorry, I'm like not even near the table. Here it is. How is it? It's like a blue with the green and yellow. It's like the pink lipstick. And like a hot pink with a darker pink and a darker pink or a light pink or light pink. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below which eyeshadow you like better. Or which side you like better, the girls' eyeshadow or the boys' eyeshadow. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please comment down below which eyeshadow you like better. And please give this a big thumbs up. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Good.